How to recover line password. Recovering our line password helps us regain access to our chats and contacts. So if we do not reset it properly, we could lose access to our account. So let's recover it the easy and the safe way. We open up the line application for that. And once we open it up, we can look out for the login option. So go ahead and tap on the login option once this screen appears, and we can select up our main device or our sub device. You can just go and tap on it, tap on OK. And once you do, you will be taken with this page. You can use this QR code or tap on login with email and go to the section right here. Now, once we are headed over to the section, we'll be finding option for email. You can tap on email to enter up your email for your registered email address that you use in order to create an account, or look out for this password option in order to enter up your password. But if you have forgotten your password or you want to reset your password, we need to tap on this option called forgot our password for that. So you can tap on that option and tap on OK. And once it is done, you can just go over and follow the process to reset your password. You may just go over and do so, or you can go to the main device. You can head back and log in with your main device. And once we are logged in, we can look out for the settings option in the top right corner usually. And from there, go ahead and look out for our profile and look out for the option called account and tap on it. After we tap on account here, we'll be finding a general info section. So there we need to tap on this option called password. And once we click on this option, what we can do is we can verify our identity first. And we just need to continue the process of confirming of the new password that we'd like to do. We can just go and enter it up, and we can tap on change password and change up our password, and that is also possible to reset our password on our line. So you can follow this process for that. uh, it's very easy if you always link an email address to line, and you can use a strong password for that and turn on two-step verification for safety. And that's it. Now we have recovered our line password. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.